What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda CX-9 smart key remote fob. This Mazda CX-9 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using along the way is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob. If you notice, one side of it has a logo and one side does not. So the first side I'm going to remove is the side without the logo. If I look down here on the key ring, see there's this little black button right here. What I'm going to do is hold that button down, and then I'm going to slide this back cover, and it slides up just a little bit. Once it slides up just that little bit, then I can pull it off of there like that. Now if we're calling the key ring the bottom, I'm going to remove this silver piece on the top, and usually you can just get your fingers on there like that and pull it off. If you're unable to pull it off with your fingers, you can use a flathead screwdriver just to help pop it off. But once we get that silver piece off, we're going to remove this back cover, the side with the logo. So I'll get my screwdriver in there like that and just pry up. And if your emergency key falls out, that's fine. We'll put that back in at the end. But pry up on that back cover, and then once we get that back cover off, we see our battery cover right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to help pry up on that. Once we get that off of there, we can see our actual battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to help get it out of that holder. Once we get the old battery out, we'll install the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up, we'll pop that down into place. Then we'll put this battery cover back on, and you just line the sides up between the tabs and then snap that down into place. Then we'll grab the side with the logo, and if you notice it has this tab sticking out of it, what I'm going to do is line that tab up in this hole right here. And then once you have it lined up, go ahead and snap it down into place. Then we'll put our silver piece back on the top. And if you notice, there's these two tabs on the silver piece, and those just fit down in those two tabs right there, like that. And we'll put our emergency key back into place, and you can see there's that hole in it, and it just lines up like that. Once that's all into place, we'll put our other cover back on. So this will just sit down on here. Sits down on here, and then you'll see it slide up and click into place. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.